Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this little short video is going to be about setting up guidelines. And I've done a couple videos on this, but I've kind of learned a new little trick. So when you go over your ruler, you can bring in a guideline, and you could place it at 20 or pretty close, and you could always go right, and I hit it right on the money almost, but you can just type in 20 right there. But if you want to make more guidelines, you can get on your guideline and double click it, and it's going to bring up the guideline, basically a docker. And you can go 18, add, 22, add, and then hit OK, and you've got a guideline now at 18, 20, and 22. Same thing. These are vertical guidelines if we want horizontal guidelines. And remember that if your workspace is set at 0, 0, you need to type a negative. So we're going to set a guideline at 14 and press add and then OK. So now this is in the center of the page because my table size is 28. Now with that said, you can always, if you just need one guideline, you can always go here and hit P on the keyboard and you can put it in the center of the page. But then you could go and double click on this and you could add it at -12, add, -16, add, and now you've got guidelines in the middle with 2 inches on either side. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.